Well, hi and welcome back, and I just thought I'd do another video. I've got some stuff I need to develop I haven't had a chance to do yet because I've been working away, quite busy. So that's going to be done in another video. That's some Ilford Delta 3200 out and about in dark places, as I call it. So it was a lot of stuff that was taken in the early hours of the morning because I was working in central London, and I got to go around some places before work and on the way to work, and I took some quite interesting shots. I think I've not developed the film yet, so I don't know. But I just want to give you an update first. That was the first thing, but doing the 3200. Got some more film on order, and I've got some film on order because I've got to test out this Rolleiflex. It's not mine. I wish it was, but I've been lent it by a friend to test it out and see if it works. So I've ordered some. I think I've ordered some Fomapan 400 for it. So hopefully next week when that arrives, I should be able to do a test on this and see if it actually works. We don't know yet, but the normal test we've done on it, just looking and testing the shutter speed, it seems to work. And I've not worked with a medium format for many a year. So that's that. Okay, so the summer before last, I made a series of short documentaries giving people film cameras and film to shoot them in. So the photographs that you're going to see, I didn't take them. However, it's not a problem for me to use them at all. And I was just at the time experimenting with different film, and I gave the person the Svema, or is it Svema or Svema? I think it's Svema. This Color 125 film. Let's put it in this hand so you can see a bit better. So the Color 125 film, and to see what it would come out, and would it work, and would we get any nice shots off it. Now, the one thing I can tell you now, the photographs were taken on my Canon EOS 100. So it was autofocus. So if there's any soft focusing, it's maybe an issue with the film. I don't think there's any problems with the focusing because it seemed to be right when we did it. But yeah, it's kind of a strange film. I'm going to show you the pictures and explain to you what I think about it. Anyway, hope you enjoy the rest of the video. So this was in the cemetery next to St Pancras railway station where the Hardy tree is. And in fact, he took a photograph of the Hardy tree. As you can see from the actual photograph, these colours are very muted and not what we'd expect of like a modern day colour film. However, what makes me think about this is if you were trying to do a proper retro shoot, say like a 1960s or a 1970s photo shoot of somebody or people and have them dressed up properly, this film would be absolutely perfect for it. You know, no needs to do Photoshop. You just get some amazing results. So I'm just going to show you a few of the photographs. And again, this is the one we took of the Hardy tree. It was quite, if I remember right, it was quite overcast but quite bright the day he took these. And we're all around the areas of near Camden where we went up to take photographs and stuff, so you can see the different things. I mean, these are really normally bright and vibrant, but you can see here that they're quite muted. And then there's a photograph he took of these houses down here, and that what I just showed you is just over on the left hand side there. And again, you can see all the colours. It was very muted. But if that's a style you're looking for, then it's actually a really nice film. As for the grain, yeah, it's very grainy, and I don't think that one's in focus, but that one is, and you can see just how grainy it is for a 125 ISO film. If I zoom in on that's it, the number there, you can see just how grainy that is. And remember, he was using the Canon EOS 100, so I'll just show you a few more shots. Oh, there's a picture of me. Doing the filming work, and he's taking a photograph of me, but he got some more nice shots, and the colours, as I say, pretty way out there. And he wanted to take me down here, particularly because this is in Camden, and it was just some really nice places he wanted to shoot. And you can see, even though the colours are muted, it's still quite interesting. Now, I don't think this film is available at the moment or anymore. I don't know if it's anymore or not available at the moment, but I wouldn't buy it again, to be honest with you. It's not something I want to use particularly, and now the cost of developing colour film is so expensive. I'm actually going more and more just back to black and white. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and join me in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and buy me a coffee if you get a chance. There's a link in the description below.